Check this out for the ones that will listen. I put together this package. Right? Title, Conversation of Elimination. Follow me on this. Conversation of Elimination. I'm going to start this off by saying, thank you, Father, for this time. Thank you, universe, for allowing me to speak and say what I need to say and what I want to say. And hopefully this message conveys to some of the minds that is listening. So I'm asking you to pay close attention. I'm not saying I know everything. I'm telling you what I have learned and what I am seeing, what I have contemplated on, and what I am now doing. And it's called Conversation of Elimination. Now, one would say, what is that? Pay attention and listen. When you talk to somebody for at least 5 to 10 minutes, you know where they're coming from, right? You can't change people. You gotta let people be who they are. I learned that the hard way. I was thinking if I be good to a person or be good to these people or be good, period, that people would change. But everybody's not gonna change. Everybody's not of the same tribe. Just because you got the same texture or melatonin skin don't mean you are the same. Over in other countries, it's the same way. But for the life of me, I don't understand in America, the land of the so-called free, and we as Black American people has been here for a long, long time. And this new generation and some of the old, because it stems from the past, can't get along and establish nothing. I have watched every other ethnicity come over here, no matter what all troubles they have within their regions or their country or wherever they come from. I have watched them come over here and establish stuff. With us, it's still a thing where we establish things as solo. It's like crabs in the barrel mentality. But one thing I have learned is everybody that's got that same melatonin skin, or melatonin, or however you want to pronounce it, it's not the same. It is not the same. While we see some of the things that happen out there, out here, and continue to repeat it over and over again, the same thing that's going to produce the same results, I have no fucking clue why that takes place. But what I do know is, with what I have put together, and it's effectively working, because I don't deal with people. After talking to you for 5 or 10 minutes, I know where your brain is at, and that's not being judgmental. I say I'm gonna separate myself from anything that's gonna delete my time on this earth or gonna take away from what I have built, because I wanna leave back a legacy, and that's not material things. That's my name, and I want it to be enforced. And I don't wanna be hanging or being associated with nobody that don't know how to conduct themselves, if that makes sense to you. Hope it does. Check it out. Conversation of elimination. If you tired of your kids not respecting you, if you tired of family members not respecting you, and remember, family members will hurt you quicker than people in the street. I have had strangers do more for me than family members have done for me. That's family members, you know what I'm saying? And I love my family. Just a majority of them I keep at a distance, you know what I mean? Just like some of these strangers in the street, I keep them at a distance, if that makes sense. Hope it do. Because if you done been through it, you know where I'm coming from. So, in what I have created, Conversation of Elimination is, if you want to change, if you got change within your path, one person can do it. One person can make a change. But ain't it much better when you got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Look into some of these plazas and how they own and who are supporting them. Look into some of these businesses on how they're owned and who is supporting them. It ain't none of y'all. And that's the crazy part. So, once again, what I'm saying is, Conversation of Elimination, this is a blueprint to success within. And remember, success don't just mean money. Birds of a feather flock together. So if we ain't flocking and going in the same direction, in the positive direction, because yeah, it's plenty of illegal ways how you can do stuff, but you gotta look over your shoulder. But I got keys to the right way. Evasive action. You know what I'm saying? So you say evasive action? No, doing the right thing, but staring at the wrong people's face. That's what I mean by that. It's chess, not checkers. It's monopoly. Chess and monopoly. Eliminate the checkers. It is chess, not checkers, and monopoly. That's it. Ain't nothing else. Ain't nothing else. So either we're going to come up together or we're going to stay away from each other. Simple as that. Ain't no friends out here in this jungle. But if we of the same tribe and we of the same mindset that we have developed or can develop, leave me a message on this page. If you don't want to be broke no more, leave me a message on this page. And I'm not meaning broke pocket-wise. I'm meaning broke mentally. If you sick and tired of being sick and tired, holla at your boy. Because ain't no hating in me. And if I know you and ain't around you no more, I ain't cut you off because I didn't like you. I cut you off because of your actions. So it's best we depart as friends because I don't need no enemies. There's too many of them out there that I don't know running around. And I ain't make them. Because when you accumulate things in this lifetime, people tend to hate you. So I stay away from haters. I only want to be around motivators, intellectual people that's trying to come up and live a decent and fair life. Stay blessed. They said a man that plays fair don't get nowhere. Bullshit. I've been playing fair for a long time, and I have gotten all the way down the road and still traveling. This shit don't stop till the casket drop. Let's get together. Leave a message. Stay blessed. Peace.